Let him say it. Let him say it. He's good at
Say it right now.
You want pussy? We got pussy. Every pussy. Black pussy, white pussy, stinky pussy, good pussy, smelly pussy, pussy that has head, pussy with no head, cat pussy, dog pussy, duck pussy, bird pussy, cherry pussy, apple pussy, mango pussy, banana pussy. We even got cherry flavored sorrel pussy. What do we got here? Apple pie flavor pussy. Come on in and get your pussy. You buy one, get second one pussy for free. Come on in, pussy lovers, pussy lovers. He does.
Holy shit!
He says it more funny than the dude. Hey, look, you wanna go get it? I'm gonna get it quick and we see it.
No.
You got anything else?
Black
No,
pussy.
pussy.
Yeah.
No pussy.
He said buy one get one free.
Randy. I wanna rape you.
Good. Ah!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
You can't believe my eyes.
We gotta see that shit.